First of all, I would like to thank TV Houston for coming up and taking my interview. I'm Jaskaran Malhotra. I'm a professional cricketer, and I would like to thank my sponsors and Mr. Kuldeep Patel for giving me an opportunity to come and play a big India-Pakistan game. And this is what I do. I've been playing cricket from last 12 years, and I'm a first-class player back home. Usually, I go back and forth, and I'm going to go back in about 10 days and have my season back home in India.
Yes. Are you married here? Or you live here? Or are you citizen? What's your status in America?
I was just a visitor, but right now I just got married 20 days back. My parents were visiting me from India, so just to watch me play. And one of my
We can hear the excitement behind,
and one of my relatives back home suggested that there's a girl. So luckily I met her, and she's my lucky charm now, and I'm married in New York.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations from TV Houston to
Thank you so much.
as well. And your parents are already here?
No, my parents were here, but they've just gone back. My dad would, love to come back here and see me play again, but hopefully sometime soon.
So what are your future plans? Are you going to be the team member? Are you going to be the team member for this team over here in America, or what's the plan?
I would love to, if Kuldeep Bhai gives me an opportunity, I would love to come here and play again. And luckily I did well. I scored 124 runs today with 14 sixes, I suppose.
And who did you beat?
Shahid Afridi.
Yes, once again.
Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations
Thank
for
you,
that too. That sets up another goal for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. And one more question is, what message are you going to give to the team members who are already playing here? And any advice, any piece of advice that you would offer?
Yeah, I'm very surprised with the amount of cricket which is played in America. Because I never thought living in India that America would play such big cricket tournaments and stuff. So I'm very impressed with the standard over here, and I would suggest everybody to just give their 100% when they're in the ground.
कुलदीप के आने के बाद में हुआ है, just mention that. ये सब कुलदीप के आने के बाद में ये सब progress हो रहा है.
We can see the excitement. We can hear the excitement. That really tells us how well the team is playing.
India-Pakistan is always a big game, whether it's in America, India, wherever it's played. The bond between these two countries and the enmity when we step onto the field is just amazing. It's just bone-chilling.
Okay, so when you say animosity, is it a sports, or is it how you take that?
Whenever I step in the field, when the boundary line, everybody who's playing against me, I see as they're my opponents. So when whatever happens outside the field, it's a different thing. But when I step on the field, it's a different game. I'm there to win. I'm there to represent Team India. So I go for win all the time.
Very well said. Very well said. Appreciate it. Yes. We thank you so much
welcome.
for your time. And now you need to go back to the field again. While you get some rest.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and tell your name once again.
Jaskaran Malhotra.